Welcome to our winter meditation series. Over the next couple weeks, I'll be sharing meditations to support you during this time of turning inwards, slowing down, being with your body and your breath. This is an opportunity to create mindful moments throughout your day and reconnect with spaciousness, self-love, and compassion, something we all probably need. Every week, we'll introduce you to a new meditation, and you can always find more on my profile, Meredith Ram, on Insight Timer. As humans, we are prone to making mistakes. At some point, we all mess up. We click send before reading over the message, or we say something before thinking it through. We forget to show up or show up late. And as much as we try to avoid it, sometimes these things happen. So what do you do when that happens? When you've made a mistake and you find yourself sinking into negative energy, how do you shift your mood and let it go? There's an ancient Hawaiian practice called Ho'oponopono. This is something that was passed down for years. It's simply, I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me, and thank you. I invite you to call to mind the person or situation that was making you feel difficult energy. Just bring it into your heart. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. And you can repeat this in your mind. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. According to the teachings of Ho'oponopono, you are responsible for everything that you experience. Everything you see, think, notice, hear, and feel is a creation of your mind. All your reactions and interpretations are of your making, based on memories from the past. Just notice yourself soften. Feel as if any negative energy between you and another person can lift. Notice your breath. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. You can repeat this practice as much as you need until you begin to feel a shift. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. I'm sorry. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to this episode. If you liked it, share it with a friend or leave us a review on iTunes. And sign up for email updates at risingwomanleaders.com to be sure to receive all the new and inspiring content. Thanks again for being here. It's an honor to walk this path with